Hello, I'm Tayade, and welcome to my new channel, Cynemathis. In the footage I'm about to share, I pair the Canon 24-105 zoom lens with the Blackmagic Pocket 6K camera and the SmallRig MagicFIZ follow focus system. This combination delivers stunning results. I hope you enjoy the footage. Initially, this was just test footage, and I had no plans in sharing it. However, once I edited and graded it in DaVinci Resolve, I was so pleased with the results that I decided it was worth sharing. Though it is a short clip, I would love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment, a like. Your feedback means a lot. Hopefully, you would like to become a part of this community as we build this channel by subscribing. I'd like to thank you for watching the video, and I hope that you are having a wonderful day.